Alright guys, welcome to the Asiatic Hotel. And we are in the junior suite.
It just said suite.
Just suite? Alright. Well, let's start with the bathroom. Not a bad setup. Personally, I like it. Overhead. Looks nice. Toothbrushes, complimentary. Shower cap. Hair dryer. Check out what the lights go on. TV does a full bend. Got a mini fridge, microwave, couch, girlfriend, desk with drawer. Whew. I have no idea what half this says. So, not bad. No smoking. We actually got charged in Rome, New York for smoking in a room we didn't smoke in. That was a good time. And
such bullshit. We went outside in the rain and everything and still got charged for smoking.
right? I went outside at like 10 at night just to smoke. So here's the lights. That switch did nothing. Alright, that's this side's overhead. And that's that. And then the switch behind Kristen does the overhead ones over there as well. Great lighting in the room. And I asked for a room with a view. This is what I got. Could be worse. Oh wow, okay, I didn't see that.
Yeah, if you look down, there's actually a beautiful view.
Wow, okay. So we have a view line, if you guys pan the camera to the left, of the New York City skyline over there. And then, hold on. I'm holding the curtain and trying to hold the camera at the same time. I'm like falling over. All right, there we go. Camera's set up. Now you guys can see. All right. Oh wow, whatever this hotel over here is has like a globe, glass globe thing on top of it.
That.
We gotta check that out next time. That sounds cool. Or looks cool. There's a weird garage down here right below us. There's a patio down there. Some kind of garbage thing down there too. U-Haul over there, so with the clock tower. Some kind of penthouse to the left. That looks really cool up there. Alright guys. That pretty much sums it up. Thank you for joining us. And we'll catch you guys on the next hotel review. Coming soon.